हांव वर्षा राव मुंबई तक एप्रिल 9 तारीखेक विश्व कोंकणी दिवस म्हणून सेलिब्रेट जाता। ह्या वर्स चेन्नई आमगेले चॅनलांतू एप्रिल 3 दाखून एप्रिल 9 ताई हो उत्सवाचे आचरण जाले। हाजे उद्देश कसं म्हणारी ग्लोबली असुचे सक्कण आमची गेल्यांक तांगेल टॅलेंट शोकेस करच्याक एक प्लॅटफॉर्म दिवचे। हाजी मागिरी हांव इंग्लिशान कंटिन्यू करता कसं म्हणारी टू रीच आउट टू more people across the globe. It is so heartwarming to see the fantastic response from across the country and overseas. There has been participation by lots of amchis, from the 5-year-old girl Sumedha Bai, who presented Sita Kalyanam in her sweet innocent voice, to 80-year-old young and energetic Meermai from Bangalore, putting forth a few steps in Bharatanatyam to her Konkani rap. It was a repertoire of various skits. This Utsav saw a variety of performances, classical songs, dance, folk music, film songs, both vocal and instrumental, bhajans, kahani and upakatha, and fancy dress presentation by cute little boys. All the performances were a visual treat. What is more heartwarming is to note that the participation is not only by the professional artists but also by the little boys and girls, homemakers, people from different fields such as medicine, engineering, banking and finance, youth and senior citizens alike. सर्व पार्टिसिपेंट्सांक आमगे धन्यवाद। अशीची तुमगेले प्रीती आमगेले चॅनला वयली सदैव असो म्हूण हे विनंती। To reach out to more people across the globe, this video will be uploaded on the social media very soon, along with the link to Amgale channel given below. Please click on the link and you can view all the performances at your convenience. You can also share the link with your friends and family. Please also subscribe to the channel. I take this opportunity to thank R.Suresh of Amgale channel and his team to put forth such a beautiful festival for Konkani speaking community. A special thanks to Mrs. Anita Pai of Chennai for creating an awareness video across the globe regarding this celebration. And thanks to all the participants and their families for putting the efforts in making the videos and uploading them. And a very big heartfelt thanks to all our viewers for your likes and wonderful encouraging comments for the participants. I'm sure all the participants are motivated even more. सर्वांक मिगेल नमस्कारो आणि युगांदी परबेचे शुभेच्छा। देव सगळ्यांक बरें करूं। See you soon in our next episode. जय कोंकणी, जय कोंकणी।